All right, everybody, it's 1:30 and I am ready to get started. Where are we? Miss Matt?
I'm here, Judge.
All right, wonderful.
Yeah, I think because you told everybody 1:45, that might be when they
Oh,
come
no,
back. But I did
you
send a message out at 1:30,
know what?
saying that you would be back at 1:30.
Well, I would have been sitting in this seat since 8:35 this morning, and that
Me
will give
too.
me 15 minutes to just move around because I have another HR meeting at 3 o'clock, 3:30, and I haven't had a break yet. So,
Yeah.
hey, we're gonna
Did
get
you
it
see
done.
the email I sent you? I sent you a couple of emails, Judge, that I need your attention on.
Oh, let me see. Just not gonna let me get no break. Okay.
Oh, no,
Uh,
no, you don't have to do it right now. No, 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 no.
I'm,
Wait till we get
no,
off the
I'm
break.
messing
That's
with you.
fine.
No, ma'am, we are gonna take care of it right now. All right. So on Mr. Thomas, Judge Bryant, thank you for that date. I reached out to Judge Bryant, and she is going to get with Ms. Muldrow to push his date up.
Okay.
Okay, so let's keep him for, let's keep it, call Ms. Muldrow and see if he got an earlier date. If he
Okay.
has, no, let's just keep him for tomorrow. Let's keep him for tomorrow. So
Okay.
his is good. And then for Ms. Cook, she's staying until Monday. Wait. What's the bail amount? No, not 200. No, and not personal for Ms. Cook. Let's put
Okay.
Ms. Cook at, let's put her at 1,000 cash, no, 5,000 cash or surety
Okay.
for Ms. Cook. And she has a number of
Okay.
them.
I'll change hers.
Yeah, change hers for me. And I'm gonna see her because I want to hold her until Monday.
Okay.
All right, was that the only email you sent me?
No, I sent you an email. I think I sent it this morning. I can't remember yesterday. It has to do with, it came from HR. They need you on some interviews or something.
Is that the interviews that I'm on later today?
Oh, I don't know if that's today, but they said they wanted to check your schedule for the 22nd, the week of the 22nd or the 29th. And I forwarded to you just so you could let me know how you wanted to address it.
All right. So the week of the 22nd, let's address it. I am available. I will make myself, we have a 2:30 with Ethan Kelly on the 22nd. I will be available on the 20, they can do it the 22nd or the 23rd. 24th, I'm
Okay.
in team building.
Right.
25th and 26th does not work for me.
Right. So the 22nd and 23rd works.
Yes, ma'am.
What time would be best?
On the 22nd, let's see, that's Monday. We'll get the docket on Monday. If we could do between 1 and, no, let's go, I'll even start as early as 12 to 2:30. And then I can do something from 3:30 until on Monday.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then on Tuesday, I can do again from 12. Tuesday, I have mental health court staffing.
Right.
It's like forever. So Tuesday, I can only do from like 12 to 1:30. To 1:30. Mental health court staffing
Okay.
starts at 1:30.
Okay.
Yep. And then after that, 1:30, so I could do 2:30, 3:30. I can do 3:30 beyond.
Okay.
Okay. It's really the
All right.
same
I will let.
schedule.
Judge, I'm
Okay.
on. Sorry if I,
No, you're good. I was gonna take my little 15 minutes because I have not moved from this seat. I'm gonna get up and move around.
Yeah.
But you're good. Is your
Yeah, go
client
ahead.
coming?
I hope so, Judge. I mean, I'm trying to make contact with her.
Okay, you told her 1:45. Let her stay at 1:45 if she needs to.
Okay.
Mr. Fikens, are you the only case that I'm gonna have you and Mr. Kelly?
I believe so, Judge.
Okay,
Yes, all the other ones, the case managers gave me dates for the other people.
all right, very
And
good.
it is looking like a trial, Judge, just to let you know.
So we gonna do a trial?
I think so.
All right, let's do it. Let's
I'll
do
try to
it.
talk. I got a cryptic email message, so I want to, if I can have a couple minutes with her to find out what she's thinking about.
Okay. All right, then I'm gonna really need my 15. No, I'm gonna need 1:45 because I have another meeting at 3 or at 3 and 3:30. So,
Understood,
yes,
Judge.
so let's do
Okay.
it. All right,
Okay, so stop talking and go away, goodbye.
I just muted myself, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, she did. Miss Mack? Miss Mack,
Yes, Mr. Fikens.
can you send me a copy of the 2 tickets on Avery, the dog at large and no leash?
Sure, if let me get that for you, I sure will.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Shannon Walker. The judge is taking will come on at 1:45.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Judge will be here at 1:45.
Okay, I think that's when I told the investigator and the victims to be here as well, so
Okay, good.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Miss Wilson, can you put myself and Sarah's iPhone in a breakout room, please?
I don't have the ability right now, but I will as soon as I can.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I am ready. I need everybody back in. Let's go. Let's do it.
Judge, we have a small problem.
What's the small problem?
Go ahead, Mr. Fikens.
Well, the defendant is not here, Judge. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to explain to her anything. She was in a breakout room when we took a break. And I never explained to her to come back, or I didn't say anything. She was gone. So I don't know where she is, Judge. I was given a number by Miss Walker, a telephone number from the ticket, though the ticket's been written some time ago. So I don't know if I'm just texting into outer space or calling into outer space, but there's been no response.
And Judge, under Sarah's iPhone is the victim in this matter and a witness. That is not the defendant.
All right. So this is what I'll have to do. If she doesn't know to come back, I won't penalize her. Let me say that I won't penalize her. And so what I'm inclined to do is give a new trial date. Any objection to a new trial date, and we'll give it enough time where Ms. Mack can send her out a notice.
Judge, I don't have an objection to the trial date. My only concern here is while these tickets were written in October of 2021, we do have concerns that the dog is dangerous and potentially is a nuisance and can harm other people. Our victims that's here, Matthew Farley, who was present, was severely injured. And while, to be honest, to our knowledge, there's been no further attacks. This was what we're going to submit to the court was an unprovoked and very serious attack. And we're very concerned about the dog potentially harming other people in the meantime.
And in that case, Judge, because it wasn't listed, that part of the ordinance was not listed on the ticket, I think a new trial date certainly is in order so that we'd have constitutional notice of that. I would, if given time to prepare, I certainly can, and I'm not objecting to that from anything other than a time standpoint. So this might afford us an opportunity, and I'm not asking for a long adjournment, Judge. I wouldn't. In fact, the city was given an adjournment before, so I think it's in order to do that, given the circumstances. I've had contact with my client, so I don't think she's doing this for purposes of evading. She's shown up at every court hearing this court has ordered so far.
And just for slight clarity, Judge, there's no ticket for public nuisance. It would be an order of the court that we would ask the court to declare the dog a public nuisance based on the testimony we're going to put forth. But understanding counsel's argument that he is just being told that today, we're not objecting to the adjournment. We would just be a little leery and maybe ask counsel to talk to his client to ensure that the dog is well contained during this time period.
Please do.
And while not accepting any personal responsibility, I certainly would recommend to her to keep that dog well maintained and well controlled. And anything else that I'm not trying to offer words, Ms. Walker, to evade this. Whatever you're suggesting, I would certainly pass along.
All right. And so, Mr. Fikens, Ms. Walker, what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn the trial date today. I'm going to put it out until today is the 18th. I'm going to put it out to September 1st. Ms. Mack, can I do the 1st?
Yes, I believe so, long as that's okay with Investigator Hoskins, if he's available. Because we just have to make sure that the officer is available. That's the whole issue.
All right. Investigator Hoskins, are you available on September 1st?
Oh, I'm available at any time, Your Honor.
Wonderful.
And
We'll
Judge,
do
may I
it.
just ask my victim and witness if they're available that day as well? Mr. Fairley and Ms. Gray, you could unmute and let us know you'd be available September 1st.
Yeah, I'll make myself available.
Yes,
Yeah, I made myself available. It's no problem. I have one question though.
Wait, one
Is-
second, sir. Hold on. Let me finish wrapping up. And then you may want to ask your question to the prosecutor if you have any questions. So let me just clarify. We're putting the trial on September 1st. And we'll have the trial at 10:30 a.m. I'm sorry, yes, 10:30 a.m. on September 1st. And Mr. Vikings, as a term and condition, a bond condition for your client, she must keep that dog safe, secured, and out of the public, so that the public, or where the dog does not have access to the public.
Yes, Your Honor. I shall communicate that
Okay.
with her. Yes.
All right. So I don't know if this is a house dog or what have you, but she needs to keep the dog in-house, sheltered until we get through this trial.
Yes, Your
Ms.
Honor.
Walker, does that satisfy your concerns?
It does, Judge. If I could just be input into a breakout room when this hearing concludes with Sarah's iPhone, I would appreciate it to address their concerns.
Yes, please do. All right, very good. Anything else for my consideration?
No, Your Honor.
All
No,
right,
Judge.
September 1st, 10:30 it is. Thank
Thank
you
you,
all.
Judge.
Ms. Walker,
Yes,
when you're done, in the breakout room and we're done on Zoom, could you, call the office, please?
yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, very good. Did I miss anything, Ms. Mack?
No, I think that's it, Judge.
What
That's
what are we
everything.
doing with Mr. Kelly? What's happening with
Mr.
Mr. Kelly?
Okay, Mr. Kelly is being, going to Elmhurst. I'm waiting on Ms. Taylor to give me some information about him being picked up. So he's here still sitting here with me.
All right, thank you for your patience, Mr. Kelly. Thank you. All right,
Oh,
that is,
he can't hear you. He's in lockup right now, like, because we had to do a couple things in the courtroom, so, but
Okay.
he is here.
all right, wonderful. Make sure you tell him I said thank you for his patience. We're gonna get him some help today.
Yes,
All
ma'am,
right.
will do.
Very good. Thank you all. If nothing else, I will see you all in the morning for the attorneys. I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you, Ms. Mack. I'm available.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ms. Wilson, can we get that breakout room, please?
Mr. Fikens?
Yeah, Judge, don't shut it down, because they gotta go to the
No,
breakout.
no, I'm gonna put Ms. Wilson as the host.
Okay.
All right.
You can turn off our YouTube, though.
Oh, let me do that before I leave.